So we have discussed about question words. What completed? What means क्या? And when the question word is what, जब question word what हो, so in answer we have to mention object. उसका आंसर में हमें क्या मेंशन करना होता है? Object. Like कोई चीज, like खाना, पेप्सी, कोल्ड ड्रिंक, पिज्जा, पेन, पेंसिल, whatever. When the question word is when, जब question word क्या हो? When. So we have to mention when the question word is what. When the question word is what, so we have to mention object. Object means like thing. चीज है, कोई भी चीज, कोई भी चीज, कोई भी चीज. When the question word is what, when the question word is what, so in answer we have to mention things. Things means चीजें, कोई भी चीज, like पेन, पेंसिल, चाउमीन, पिज्जा, बर्गर, समोसे, then cold drink, biscuit, whatever. Okay, we have to mention the things means चीजें. When the question word is when, जब question word when हो, so we have to mention the time, like dash o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 7 o'clock, on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, then daily, every day. Okay, then January, February. Like we have to mention simply that time. It could be days, it could be time, it could be like month also. Okay, when the question word is where, WHERE, where. Where means kaha. Where means kaha. So when the question word is where, so we have to mention the place. Place means किसी जगह का नाम. For example, भोपाल, park, market, school, home, classroom, coaching, college, school. Okay. For example, where do you live? So I live in होशंगाबाद. So होशंगाबाद is what? होशंगाबाद क्या है? A place. कोई इस जगह का नाम है ना? So whenever the question word is where, जब भी question word where हो, so we have to mention place. Means किसी जगह या स्थान का नाम. Okay, this much is clear. Okay, what was the next question word? Yesterday I made you write down 2-3 question words. Now after this. After the online class, at the end of the online class, I made you write down some question words, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what was that? Yogesh, you wrote down those question words in your copy. I told you guys you have to remember this, and tomorrow we'll ask you. I told you also question words. You remember this or not? Okay, now see the next question word who. The next question word is who. WHO. Who means कौन. Who means कौन. And whenever the question word is who, जब भी question word क्या हो? Who. So we have to mention any person's name. किसी इंसान का नाम बोलना है. Okay. Who is related to only human beings. ये बस इंसानों के लिए ही use होता है. So whenever, Durgesh, now focus here. Whenever there is who in the question, जब भी question में क्या हो? Who. So in answer we have to mention any person's name. किसी इंसान के बारे में बोलना है. इसके लिए it could be like any name, किसी का नाम हो सकता है, or any relationship like brother, sister, then teacher, or friend, okay, enemy, whatever. Okay, but that should be a person. Okay, वो किसके बारे में होना चाहिए? किसी पर्सन के बारे में. पर्सन मीन्स व्यक्ति या इंसान. पर्सन मीन्स व्यक्ति. सो whenever the question word will be who, जब भी question word क्या हो? Who हो. Okay, whenever the question word will be who, so in answer we have to mention the person. Answer में हमें क्या mention करना है? Person means man, woman, girl, whatever. Man, woman, girls, boy, whatever. Okay, like इंसान के बारे में बात करना है. Okay, whenever the question word is who, so we have to discuss about the human beings. किसी इंसान के बारे में reply करना है. This much is clear. And the question words are always same to same. First of all, question word, then do or does, because present simple tense, so do or does. So question word plus do or does plus
Object.
first form of main verb plus object and then question mark. In present when the question what is what में हम कोई ऑब्जेक्ट यूज नहीं करते है, बिकॉज वो क्वेश्चन ही ऑब्जेक्ट के बेस पे होता है, ओके, ऑब्जेक्ट पता करने के लिए ही what का यूज करते हैं, ओके. सो व्हेन द क्वेश्चन what is what we won't use object, otherwise we will have to use object. इसके अलावा हमें ऑब्जेक्ट यूज करना है. Okay, it's okay, we will manage. Just manage now. Okay, so we are discussing about the question what who. Who means कौन. Who means कौन. So whenever we want to ask like ये काम कौन करता है, इस काम को कौन करता है, जब भी हम किसी इंसान के बारे में पूछना चाहे कि इस काम को कौन करता है या उस काम को कौन करता है, so we have to use the question word who. Okay, structure. So what will be the structure? First of all we have to use the question word. What's the question word?
Question word who.
Who plus. Now we are talking about present simple tense. So obviously what are the helping verbs? Do or does. So who plus do or does plus subject
Plus first form of verb.
subject. Is this right?
Yes sir.
In this
नहीं,
question
नहीं,
we have to confirm that हमें यही तो पता करना है कि कौन करता है. So subject ही हमें पता करना है.
Oh.
Okay, so there won't be subject.
Main word.
Yeah, then
सर ये कौन में ये सब्जेक्ट नहीं आएगा?
no, because we have to confirm that वही हमें पता करना है. What में हमें क्या पता करना होता है? Object.
Object.
When में हमें क्या पता करना होता है? Time. Where में हमें क्या पता करना होता है? Place, like जगह का नाम. And who में हमें क्या पता करना होता है? कौन, like subject. वो कौन करता है, like मैं, तुम, हम, वो लड़का, वो लड़की, वे लोग, कौन करता है. Okay. So the question, the structure for question word will be who plus do or does. Durgesh, focus here now. Stop writing. Put the pen down and just focus. First of all, we have to use who, then either do or does. Do and does rule is clear now. I view the plural number does. Durgesh, she them singular number do.
No.
So what? Wait, Durgesh, tell me.
I will the do.
I view the plural number do and
He she name singular number के साथ does.
does, and he she name singular number does. So first of all who, then do or does plus which form of main verb? First form of main verb, because always with do, does and did, do, does or did के साथ always means हमेशा we have to use first form of main verb plus object and then question mark. Because question, so question is obviously question mark. So uses of who is clear.
Yes sir.
Structure of who is clear.
Yes sir.
Now one question. पानी कौन, simply like पानी कौन पीता है. Okay, I'm just writing the sentence here. पानी कौन पीता है. So पानी कौन पीता है. So just see what's the last word here? ता है. So since the last word is ता है, so obviously which tense? Present simple tense. पानी कौन पीता है. दिस इज क्वेश्चन और आंसर. मैं किसी को बोल रहा हूँ या पूछ रहा हूँ? पूछ रहा हूँ. दैट मीन्स क्वेश्चन, सो क्वेश्चन मार्क. पानी कौन पीता है. व्हाट्स द क्वेश्चन वर्ड हियर? कौन. एंड कौन मीन्स who. कौन मीन्स who. पानी कौन पीता है. इज देयर एनी नॉट इन दिस क्वेश्चन? क्वेश्चन में नॉट आ रहा है कहीं पे? सो विच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन? इंट्रोगेटिव. Interrogative. So we have to follow interrogative structure of question word. So first of all, what we have to use question word. What's the question word here? Con. And con means who. So who. After that, do or does. Do or does. Now there are two types of who. दो तरह के who होते हैं. Okay. One is किसी एक person के लिए एंड सेकंड बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए. सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट सिंगल पर्सन, जब हम एक इंसान के बारे में पूछ रहे होते हैं, so one person is what, singular number or plural number? Singular number. So what we have to use, do or does? Does. So who does why no, हमने just said not said,
हमें लगा नहीं सर, सही है.
Not लगा.
एक है तो डज लगेगा.
okay, because when we are asking about one person, जब हम एक इंसान के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं, then we have to use does. Okay, for example, if I will just ask you, पानी कौन कौन पीता है? पानी कौन पीता है? One sentence. पानी कौन कौन पीता है? So पानी कौन कौन, ना कि एक इंसान के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ या बहुत सारे means plural number. So with plural number what we have to use? Do. So when there is do in the question, जब क्वेश्चन में who के साथ do लगे, so वो बहुत सारे इंसान के बारे में पूछ रहा है. If there is does with who, अगर who के साथ does लगे, so clear वो बस एक इंसान के बारे में पूछ रहा है. So now who does? Okay, then first form of main verb. पानी कौन पीता है? What's the main verb here? झनक किस? Water. चांदनी बोगस. पानी कौन पीता है? What's the main verb here? इसमें काम क्या हो रहा है? पीना. And पीना first form is drink. So पानी कौन पीता है? Who does drink? Water. पानी कौन पीता है? Who does drink water? For example, like मैं पानी पीता हूँ. So मैं पानी पीता हूँ. So simply you know how to say this sentence in English. मैं पानी पीता हूँ. I do drink water. तुम पानी पीते हो. You do drink water. हम पानी पीते हैं. We do drink water. Okay. वे लोग पानी पीते हैं. They do drink water. राम पानी पीता है. Ram does drink water. Like single person, like बच्चा. बच्चा means child. बच्चा child and बच्चे children. Plural number. Yeah, बचपन means childhood and बच्चा means child or kid. Child or kid. So बच्चा पानी पीता है. Kid or child. Then kid does drink water. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So the next question, like market कौन जाता है? Market कौन जाता है? Market कौन जाता है? What is coming at the end? आखिर में क्या आ रहा है? ता है. So which tense? Present simple tense. So market कौन जाता है? Who does go to market? Market कौन जाता है? Who does go to market? Now what? हालांकि आंसर कुछ भी आई थी, like मम्मी मार्केट जाती है, so mom does go to market. मैं मार्केट जाता हूँ. I do go to market. मेरा दोस्त means my friend. मेरा दोस्त मार्केट जाता है. My friend go to market. तुम मार्केट जाते हो. You do go to market. हम मार्केट जाते हैं. We do go to market. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now तुम्हारे घर में in your home. तुम्हारे घर में in your home. Is this clear? तुम्हारे घर में in your home. तुम्हारे घर में in your home. Is this clear? तुम्हारे घर में in your home. Now the question is, तुम्हारे घर में खाना कौन पकाता है? So तुम्हारे घर में खाना कौन पकाता है? Again, what's the last word? आखिर में क्या आ रहा है? ता है. So which tense? Present simple tense. So तुम्हारे घर में खाना कौन पकाता है? This is question or answer? Question or answer? Question. And what's the question word? Who. Present simple tense. And the question word is who. And interrogative or interrogative? Interrogative. So follow the structure and tell me, तुम्हारे घर में खाना कौन पकाता है? One by one. Shifa.
Yes, sir.
तुम्हारे घर में खाना
कौन पकाता है?
Who does cook food in your home?
Does cook food in your home. Okay, who does cook food in your home? So what will be your answer? For example, like मेरी मम्मी मेरे घर में खाना पकाती है. So मेरी मम्मी means
My mom.
my mom. Okay, so for the structure मेरी मम्मी मेरे घर में खाना पकाती है. So tell me.
My mom
does
cook
cook
food
food in my home. In my home. Is this clear?
Yes sir.
Okay, किसी से बात करना means talk to. तुमसे बात करना talk to you. तुमसे बात करना talk to you. So the question is तुमसे कौन बात करता है? तुमसे कौन बात करता है? ता है. So which tense again? Present simple tense. And कौन बात करता है? What's the question word? Who. Okay. So and तुमसे कौन बात करता है? Is there any not in the question? Not है कहीं पे? So interrogative. So तुमसे बात कौन करता है? Here we have used who.
Who does talk
And
to
if
you?
we are talking about single person, अगर एक इंसान के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं, then do or does? Does. Who does? Then main verb. तुमसे बात करना talk to you. So who does talk to you? Who does talk to you? तुमसे कौन बात करता है? Who does talk to you? So now suppose your answer is मेरा दोस्त मुझसे बात करता है. So मेरा means my. दोस्त means friend. So मेरा दोस्त मुझसे बात करता है.
My friend does talk
My
to me.
Okay, my friend then do or does? Does. My friend does
talk to me.
talk to.
सही बोला था ना?
My friend does talk to me. So questions related to who is clear?
Yes sir.
Whenever the question is who, okay? So in answer we have to mention the person. Answer में भी क्या mention करना होता है? कोई इंसान, लाइक कोई किसी इंसान का नाम या किसी इंसान के बारे में, लाइक मेरा दोस्त, मेरी मम्मी, मेरा भाई, मेरी बहन, मेरा दुश्मन, whatever it is.
दुश्मन को क्या बोलते हैं?
Enemy, my enemy.
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 Okay, enemy.